This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Humba Panlasang Pinoy. First, prepare about 1 kilogram of pork belly, cut into 2-inch cubes. You will also need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and several cloves of crushed garlic. Gather your peppercorns, dried bay leaves, and a pinch of salt next. This classic stew offers a wonderful balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors, perfect for any meal. To begin, place your 2-inch pork belly cubes in a large bowl. Add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring all pork pieces are well coated in the marinade. Cover the bowl and let it marinate at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or refrigerate it for a few hours. This step is crucial for developing the rich, complex taste of the humba. Heat a pot over medium heat and brown the marinated pork belly on all sides until lightly golden. Once browned, pour in the remaining marinade, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of pineapple juice for a subtle sweetness. Add 2 dried bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and simmer for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the pork is very tender. After the pork has tenderized, add 1/4 cup of dried banana blossoms and 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms to the pot. Stir in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and adjust to your preferred level of sweetness. Continue to simmer the humba, uncovered, for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the sauce to reduce and thicken. The goal is a rich, glossy sauce that perfectly coats each piece of tender pork belly, making it incredibly appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.